Lynette Wolff.
And I'm Brian Wolff.
We're the Wolff couple.
We want to see you at our amazing Leads to Deeds Pretty House Workshop.
There are so many reasons why you need to be there.
The most important reason of all is to get your own big deal closed for your own big profit.
I love Leads to Deeds. It was so awesome. We got to close deals right in the event.
In 2 days, I'm walking away with 3 appointments.
So just let me know what time works out best for you, and I think this sounds great, Scott.
We close it right away. You guys can move on right away, and I think it would work out real well for you and us. So, thank you. If we did this for 10 years, could you go to 250? Do you think, Sandy?
Yeah.
What is the most you can put down on your beautiful brand new home?
Anywhere between 10 and 15.
You bring in all the leads and we close them for you.
Zero money down and zero of my own credit.
I am going back home with 4 contracts.
We'll even sit beside you while you follow our scripts and close your own deals.
I'm really looking forward to meeting with you, Chris, and I'll see you soon.
Okay.
Being on the phone with the seller while I had Brian and Lynette right there to make sure that I didn't mess anything up.
The way we do it's a real common way of doing it now, is that we buy the house with a lease purchase agreement.
We're going home with 3 deals, 3 contracts.
We've wrapped up 4 deals while I was there. Looks like the potential to make over $200,000.
I'm bringing home 5 total deals. It's a life-changing event.
We hold the workshop in our beautiful home city of Phoenix, so we can show you firsthand exactly how our house buying and selling process works.
That's right. We're going to bring you out with us on our Pretty House Bus Tour.
This is going to be an awesome trip. You guys are going to have a great time.
We love pretty houses!
So we're selling it for $289.9.
And an orange? Yes.
Yeah. Next on the Pretty House Bus Tour is one of our open houses.
You'll get to see our program in action.
We love to sell our houses on the very first weekend.
We not only show you all of our techniques and tools, we'll provide them to you so you can have the exact same success in your own investing business.
Plus, we even teach you how we get the most possible money down on the very first weekend. Congratulations! Yes!
Thank you.
We are giving the house to you guys. Are you excited?
So excited.
Oh my goodness!
Here you go.
Wow, great.
Thanks for making it so easy for us.
Oh, you're welcome.
Next, we'll all visit our own local real estate investing office.
You'll get to meet our great staff and see how they operate.
Plus, we'll have a special Q&A with members of our dream team. We'll train you on all of our powerful office organization and automation systems.
We're the king and queen of automation. We'll even include our special hands-on training sessions.
These cover money-making subjects like negotiating, rapport building, hiring and training your very own acquisitionists, and raising your conversion ratio to double or even triple your income.
We'll be treating you to a gourmet dinner at our own country club.
So you did a couple of deals? Isn't this nice, you guys? That will be a night filled with great networking opportunities.
And lots of fun. Yeah, woo! You guys are all winners. Wolff Pack winners.
Yeah. Oh!
I was a little bit afraid to make calls
And now I just look forward to making calls.
It has given me such confidence.
I'm learning from the experts.
The small amount of money it takes to get there will be paid off 10 times over by your very first deal.
So come to our Leads to Deeds Pretty House Workshop and leave with big money deals and the skills and tools to close lots more on your very own.
And the next one is coming up in sunny Phoenix.
We absolutely have limited space because we need to call everyone's leads, so make sure to act quickly to save your spot.
Sign up right away by calling 888-RICH-NOW. We can't wait to see you at the
Leads to Deeds Pretty House Workshop.
Best event ever.
Yes, yes, yes. We love Leads to Deeds.